All right, I got this kit, windshield repair kit. It did not come with these. If you can see,
Probably not.
I don't even know where it's at. Oh, it's right here.
Yeah.
It's a tiny, itty bitty, teeny tiny chip. And this is actually the brand new Jeep, and it's got Gorilla Glass. Can you see? There you go. And these windshields are very expensive. They say they're about $1,000. It may be more than that. Just clean this as best you can. But like I was saying, we'll put the links for this kit that we got off Amazon. So just clean it off. Let me show this kit here. I've already read the instructions, and it comes with a little thumbtack that you clean out the...
It'll clean out any debris that may be in there.
You see that?
I don't know if they can see that or not. Oh, yeah, yeah.
All right, now we're going to take this piece here. We're going to put it over the hole.
I'm going to go here.
I can't even tell. Okay. So now you have this piece. And what's bad about these Jeeps is that the angle is so much on these. That's why they get broke a lot. Okay, I'm gonna put 2 drops of this in there. I can't even see it. Okay. And then this right here is the plunger. Did it go in there?
I don't see anything different. Yeah, I see it now.
Did it go in the hose, the hole lined up?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna wait. I don't know who wrote these instructions, but they're not the best. So stay for 1 minute, then repeat the process until we can see it's in there good.
I still see it. It's not as bad though.
Okay, now we gotta go put this in the sun. We can still see a little bitty spot.
But it's so
Teeny tiny, itty bitty.
tiny. Than it was.
Yes. Now, put all this back up. I'm gonna drive it out in the sun, and you can use a UV light like my wife uses on her fingernails. If you want to activate this a different way, but I'm gonna take it out in the sun since it's sunny. So now we just got to wait 30 minutes and then we could peel that off. Tear off the film. Do not scrape the glass with a razor blade after the ultraviolet curing. Why did they give them to us?
Oh, they gave you razor
Tear
blades?
off the curing, yeah, tear off the curing film and scrape off excessive resin. So it's telling you to scrape it and then telling you not to scrape it and then telling you to scrape it.
And they provide you with the
Yeah.
blade?
There you go. Can you see it?
No, here. You'll have to put it up there closer.
It's very hard to see.
Yeah, especially in the sun.
It did a really good job, I think. It is right there. Barely see it. So it probably won't crack anymore. I'm gonna scrape, even though it said don't scrape.
And they give you the scraper, so. And that, folks, is how you fix a chip in your windshield.
You can just barely see it. It did a really good job.
Yeah, they can't see it. There's no way from here.
Yeah. And I don't think it's gonna crack anymore, so that's awesome. And we should be good.
Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up.
Like and subscribe.
Ring the bell for notifications, and we'll catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.